Oh yeah, we're on now.
It was nice and just like that.
You're on and recording.
All right, so here we are. We caught a nice little hog here. Harvey's going to try the new rope techniques that he learned from confined space training.
Adrian,
You ready, Harvey?
Come show me like you did in class. Come on.
Yeah, Adrian and Harvey here learned how to tie ropes and, you know, do all kind of cowboy stuff.
Got you, buddy.
There you go.
There's your rope. You can go eat that thing.
Come
What
on.
knot you want to put on it?
Huh?
What knot you want to use?
I don't care. Use a knot. Get him.
I'm gonna grab the tail.
Get him.
I need you to come over here and grab the deal.
What are we supposed to do after we tie him up? There's the
Then we're going to get him out of here. We're going to haul him off somewhere else. But we got to get him caught live.
How are you going to get him through that hole?
Well, we're gonna drop the rope inside after we tie his legs out here, and then we'll drop the rope in and fucking drag him out. No?
You got to get him to a point where he's laid on his side and he's tied up. That's what you got to do. Ooh,
Easy.
I think he's got rabies.
Hey.
Don't get bit.
Foaming.
Hey, you know,
You're not going nowhere. You're not going nowhere.
You got to get his legs completely tied.
Yeah, we know. We got him. I just hope your tying game is good, Bubba. My life is in your hands right now. We're on the I-beam right now.
it's still muddy.
Hey, I don't see nobody else doing this stuff, huh?
It's perfect.
It's like catfishing. Noodling. We're noodling with pigs.
You got to get it
Stay,
tight.
man.
Adrian,
Huh?
when you get it tight on his legs, then wrap it around his legs before you pull on it.
Hell no, he's still coverless.
No, you won't.
Oh yeah, with that mud.
Ooh, oh, he's gonna rip that damn thing off. Hazmat, I want to thank our instructor today. It is February 13th of 2020. I didn't really learn no tying skills. Well, my brother did. Yeah, you're not going nowhere, buddy. Ooh, he's gonna break his tail before he break his leg.
He won't break his tail.
Yeah, let it go.
Let's see if anything went in the trap.
Oh, there you go.
There you go.
There we go. Hey, watch your camera behind you.
Now what are you going to do?
No. Get his other leg or what? You gonna get his other leg?
Man,
Bro, he's not gonna bite you.
man, shut up. Quit telling me you're not going to. When I want
Well, I
that,
mean,
man.
don't sit in there and let him.
So, what I'm gonna do is, when I grab his other leg,
Nah, he's done.
he's gonna go on his side, and I want you to kind of let it down a little bit if he does go on his side, okay?
There you go.
Woo, baby!
It's about to come off. Yeah, you gonna get him on the top?
It's too slick. I can't hold on to him. Let him go.
It's too wet.
Yeah, he's too wet.
Let him go.
Okay.
There you go. Here you go.
Whoa!
Like a bull, huh?
Like a bull. No shoot.
Round 2 for the hog. All right, guys, that's all we got for today. Tomorrow we're going to see if we can get another cage and just put him in another cage and close it up and haul him off. He's too aggressive, too wild to try to catch him. And
wet.
plus, these two guys, Harvey and Adrian, I mean, they're not learning much in this confined space training. You know, the rope tying thing. And, you know, I mean, you guys need to teach them a little more. I mean, it's just not working out. See y'all next time.